Came to see my sister. Congratulations. I've seen baby. I don't want to put baby's face. Our baby is there. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you coming around. You show me the love, the prayer, the support over the years. Thank you, Toyin. Thank you so much.
Congrats.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
We are here.
I got to advertise the film.
No, Jakarta film. Jakarta.
Okay.
Camila, me runnings now.
December.
But we good. So you guys, you know what's happening now.
Alakada December 20.
But my baby coat t-shirt, me want t-shirt. Ma we jẹ́ kí wọ nínú ilé. Kí n ṣe tèmi náà. Thank you.
TOYIN Abraham visits DAYO AMUSA after childbirth. Emotional reunion sparks reactions. What we do on this channel is we give updates about Nollywood actors and actresses. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Nollywood stars TOYIN Abraham and DAYO AMUSA shared a heartwarming moment when TOYIN paid a surprise visit to DAYO, who recently welcomed her newborn child. The emotional reunion, which took place at DAYO's residence, saw both actresses overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. TOYIN, a mother herself, was visibly emotional as she congratulated her longtime friend. The actresses embraced tightly, shedding tears of happiness while celebrating DAYO's new journey into motherhood. In a heartfelt video shared online, TOYIN expressed her excitement and pride, saying, "I'm so happy for you, my dear sister. This is such a beautiful blessing." DAYO AMUSA, glowing with the joy of motherhood, thanked TOYIN for her support and surprise visit. She described the moment as one of the most special and unforgettable days in her life. Fans and colleagues flooded social media with congratulatory messages, praising the friendship between the two actresses and celebrating DAYO's new addition. Many were touched by the emotional bond on display and wished DAYO AMUSA a smooth and joyous motherhood experience. This visit has sparked excitement in the Nollywood community, with fans anticipating more beautiful moments from the two friends, both on and off the screen.